Picture this. You're cruising in a sleek luxury car, heads turning as you pass by. It's a dream many of us harbor, but what's the real cost of owning a luxury car? And more importantly, can you afford it? If you're intrigued, hit that like button and subscribe now to uncover the truth. Let's dive in. Initial purchase price. First and foremost, the sticker price. Luxury cars don't come cheap, and the figures you see in glossy advertisements are just the tip of the iceberg. Beyond the brand's allure and the leather seats, you're paying for cutting-edge technology, performance, and of course, status. Financing or leasing options might make it seem accessible, but it's vital to understand what lies beneath that initial cost. Maintenance and servicing. Think about this. The more luxurious the car, the more specialized the care. Regular oil changes, tire rotations, and other maintenance procedures are costlier in luxury vehicles. Dealerships might offer packages, but what happens when the warranty wears thin? Even simple repairs can turn into financial sinkholes. So before falling for that smooth ride, consider the upkeep. Insurance. Insuring a luxury car is no small affair. Your beautiful machine is a target for theft, not to mention more expensive to repair. Insurers know this, and they'll charge you accordingly. Shopping around for insurance quotes before making the purchase can save you from an unexpected financial burden. Depreciation. The silent wealth eroder, depreciation. Luxury cars lose value at an astonishing rate. Drive it off the lot, and you might lose 20% of its value right there. Thinking about selling it down the road? You might be in for a shock. Leasing could be a solution, but that's a complex topic all on its own. Fuel and other ongoing costs. Don't forget the everyday expenses. Premium fuel, parking in secure locations to protect your investment, not to mention state-specific taxes and fees. It all adds up, turning that one-time splurge into a continual financial commitment. So, can you really afford to own a luxury car? The dream might be within reach, but understanding the full spectrum of costs is crucial. If this eye-opening guide helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Let's journey through the financial world together, one question at a time.